Can one of you guys confirm if that was JB coughing upstairs?
Combined with the real-world friendly patrols and interactions, made me feel like I was part of the ecology of the recovery.
Far enough over the line, guys?
In the division.
He shoots about 8,000 rounds.
Well, his name is Juice because he drinks a lot.
So are you turning left or you turning right?
Okay, so he's not a very good shot.
I thought he was nicknamed.
Or are you going to block both
Manual
lanes?
recording will now start.
He's not very good.
2% fraction of what's out there, right? Like he doesn't have anything that goes bump in the night of his house.
He does stuff for secret, you know what I mean? And that's what we gotta try to pry out of people. Because all these mainstream places have been, you know.
Manual recording will now start.
It's something different. You're doing something for you. You're doing something for you, and that's all anyone can ask for. And the only reason
Manual recording will now start.
Doing it.
Manual recording will now start.
Come on, you can fucking go. Get a load of this asshole.
Manual recording will now start.
Let me guess, you're gonna wait until it turns.
Go in for open heart surgery. And the only thing that the man had in his possession was a BB gun, a starter pistol, and an antique.
This is madness.
Yes. But the fact that they don't have something on your side. It's about strategy. Do you take out the pawns first to make it easier to take the bishop? Or do you focus the bishop so the pawns are left in the open? With chess principles on.
Yeah, there's plenty of room to park on the curb, but no, let's block the fucking roadway like an asshole. Come on! Because ever since March, I felt like shit working this job.
Manual recording will now start.
Whew. Glad that was not me.
World had that same kind of design. Random windmills, tube slides leading to different places, exotic slopes and sculptures.
Some are so fucking weird, we don't exactly know what to do with them. That's why the Wheel of the Worst was designed. It's a torture device.
I can hear you.
Oh.
Bless you. Bless you.
I'm allergic to these films.
It's coming! Thanks, Kiki. That's the end of the tape. I hope you enjoyed it.
5 minutes.
Hulk Hogan in Censor
That
with
long
Muscle.
can't be that bad, can
I
it?
always wanted to watch this film.
Manual recording will now start.
Velocity of my grapple punch was too much for the little guy to handle, and he ended up exploding his spinal cord on the wall. The poor guy even brought his helmet to work today.
Manual recording will now.
If I was trying to steal a cue for myself, I would just grab it when I wasn't looking and run. But whatever, they don't murder me now. I finally feel.
Were they always funny?
Dude, where are your plates?
Chief can do no wrong, son.
And of course you're gonna park like that.
Manual recording will now start.
See, that guy at least has an excuse. He's got a trailer. What do you have?
To land on something as stubborn as you are. And I don't do bits and pieces.
I gotta wait for you now.
Manual recording will now start.
That ending cutscene at the end. The end credits.
Blade Master. Oh, that guy's sick. Yeah, I was gonna say, they think he's dead. I think he's
Manual recording
Dude,
will
what
now
the fuck?
start.
What the fuck?
Representatives from a Havana district in the elections that were scheduled for June of 1952. But in March of that year, and of course, the funny ones. Initially, the attempts weren't on Castro's life, but on his character.
Manual recording will now start.
$20 on a game in my life. I'm a cheap ass gamer. My buying habits are not driving me insane. But yeah, on piracy, I'm not blanketed.
I love that truck.
So far. I'm only about halfway through, but I still don't even know what the JTF stands for. I've been calling them just the thing.
All this talk about social distancing and still people ride my ass.